Hi, and welcome back to our masterclass. In this video, we are going to show you how to add an online shop function to your website. Ready? Let's go. First, scroll down to the plugin option. Then, click on Add New Plugin. Now, go to the search box and type in WooCommerce. This might take a while, so just be patient while it searches for the plugin. In the meanwhile, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you are still watching, please leave us a comment below so we can send you a shout out. There we go. This is the WooCommerce plugin. Now click on the Install button and just wait for the installation to complete. Perfect. The plugin has successfully installed. Now, click on Activate. Welcome to your online shop setup page. Click on Set Up My Store. Next, you can leave the I'm just starting my business option selected and click on Continue. Here you can enter your own email address and then proceed by clicking on the Continue button. Here you have a few plugins that might help your shop perform better. The most common ones are MailChimp and Jetpack, but I don't use these apps for marketing, so I left them all unticked. I recommend leaving MailChimp and the Drive Sales with Google Ads options ticked. They might help your shop a lot. If you are still watching, please leave us a comment below so we can assist you with any question you might have. Next, let's click on Continue. And there you go. WooCommerce is turning on the lights to your shop. Okay, WooCommerce has installed, and you now have an online shop function. Now let's get the shop set up. As you can see, you have quite a few options to run through, but it's important to make sure that you can get paid. So let's go and install a payment gateway. Head over to the plugin option and click on Add New Plugin. Now head over to the search box and type in PayFast. Please note you are welcome to use any other plugin, but this is the most common gateway to use. And there you go. This is the PayFast Payment Gateway plugin. Click on Install now and wait for the installation to complete. Perfect. Now let's click on Activate to get this plugin activated. As you can see, the plugin is active. It's important to know that you'll need to sign up for a PayFast account. Don't worry, it's free of charge. Once signed up, we will need the merchant number, ID, and secret phrase to complete the integration. As you can see, you now have a product section. Here you can add your products to your shop, but we will cover this in our next masterclass video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can keep growing it for you. For myself and the whole Spitfire Media team, we'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.